Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday, December 10, and we should start with Bitcoin. We had some volatility yesterday. I don't know why people are panicking, but usual volatility for the price. Morning, Christian, Andrei, Simi, Bova. Hey, Hania. Hey, Shogun. Abdullah. Well, the people from Crypto Traders Arena are here watching a stupid trader blabbing away. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin on weekly. Well, when you feel the fear, when you feel too many emotions, well, just zoom out and look at the price action. Well, nothing special. We accepted above 100k on weekly chart, and now we are testing some levels, a bit of volatility. Maybe some people are overconfident, too fast, too high maybe, and we need to consolidate a little bit more. Yeah, I saw that we have a lot of liquidation last night. Well, that's too much greed. I tell you what it is. Morning, Stefan. Yeah, that's too much greed. That's the only thing that makes the liquidation so big. People calling, well, it's above 100k. Let's sell my house and bet everything on Bitcoin, and my liquidation price will be at 98. Well, okay, go ahead. It's that easy. That's the retracement. Last people to long will be punished. And you saw the numbers. I don't think it's any point to point out the big numbers of how many people got liquidated or how much money was involved. Now, overall, Bitcoin is still strong here. I don't see anything bad. We are still in the overbought. This is not a clear EM. OBV is still strong, really strong. So on weekly, we can even touch 90. We can even go a bit lower and then push back up. Create some real volatility on Bitcoin. Because I know that seems a lot, that is not. The last week candle was a bit bigger. Okay, we had 103 or 104 almost, and the low was 91. Well, that's kind of acceptable, but we can get even more volatility, and I don't see too many people prepared for that. Well, everyone is thinking, well, it'll be nice, will be a smooth ride to the top. Okay, enjoy it if you can. People, in the bull market, the market gets more volatile. You can see wild swings, especially on altcoins. You saw just a bit of taste of what could happen on altcoins last night. 30%. Well, 30% is not too much for an altcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin on weekly still looks strong. And honestly, I think we'll bounce at least to retest 100k if we'll not go and push higher. On daily chart, we are pushing higher. We are still in this range. Okay. We have some bearish divergence here, but someone could tell me what usually happens when Bitcoin or what price action it's going sideways and RSI and everything, they are just trending lower to the middle of the range. I think the chart is resetting itself for another leg higher. Maybe I'm wrong, or maybe I'm not. I don't know. I see the RSI reset a little bit, and I think we can, sooner than later, we can have another leg higher. Or we can dump and test 70k. That will be a best buying opportunity. But usually market doesn't give you opportunity you want. if it's really strong. Everyone wants a lower price. Well, we'll see. First of all, we'll see if we'll get it, and second, we'll see if people will buy that level that are praying now. When they'll see Bitcoin at 75 or 70k, they'll say, well, no, it's over. See you in 4 years, and so on. So for the moment here, okay, we have bearish divergence. We kind of is getting all the divergence. RSI is resetting itself. Price is still fighting 100k, and I think we can. That means the price is really strong, and we can push higher. Just my 2 cents. Now Ethereum. Well, you can see now we tested this uptrend channel. If we'll reclaim back, that's a buying opportunity. Believe it or not, that's a fucking buying opportunity. Just my 2 cents. Look at the price action. A, B, C, D, okay? Every time the market pushed higher above this high, okay, managed to go back down and retest the consolidation. Exactly the same thing now. A bit more aggressive indeed, but we still have higher highs and higher lows here. And I still think Ethereum could push a lot higher. We reached $4,000, big fat round number, and we rejected a little bit, and people are bearish again. Yeah, okay. The reaction is normal in my opinion. When you reach an important level like 4,000 on Ethereum, a bit of cleaning up, a bit of hunting the liquidity to have more fuel for the next leg. Nothing bad with that. Morning book or morning pip. So let's wait and see what happens. I posted yesterday, just 2 hours before the dump. People, it's not rocket science. It's pretty easy to do it. Don't overthink it. Buy the fucking dip. Wait for a dip and buy that dip. When you're in profit, move your stop to scratch, book some profit, and trail the rest. It's so hard to do that. I don't want to hear about I'm shorting. Well, if you short, at least don't tell me, because you know my opinion. Don't brag about it. Well, I'm shorting, I see an M, I see. You are in a strong bull market, the last part of the bull market, and you are shorting. You are not so smart as you think. So please don't be the guy that is trying to be right instead of making money. Because when you are trying to predict a reversal, you are trying to be right. You put more weight on being right than making money. Because if you want to make money, you will stay with the trend. But your desire is to be right, to call everyone, well, look at me. I called the top. You are not here to make money. But at least understand that and control that if you want to make money. If you want to make money, you'll stay with the fucking trend. Buy every dip possible. I'm not selling at first 5% dip, go sell your house and put it on Bitcoin. But you can put 2 or 5, between 2 and 5% in some longs. Okay? With a wide stop loss, hoping for a price to reverse and push back up. No? So I don't want to hear about short this couple of months. I don't want to hear about, okay, we can hedge on Bitcoin, but nothing else. And when I see a good opportunity to hedge, I'm blabbing away here on YouTube or on straight on Discord. You'll hear me saying, well, I'm hedging my portfolio. And the rest, don't. Every one of us has PTSD. Yeah, everyone comes from a bear market, and we learn in the bear market in an ugly way that if you don't book the profit, the market will take it back. We are not in the same environment. If you feel the need to book some profit, book just 20%, 50%, trail the rest. Try your best. It's all I could say. Okay, So Ethereum here, let's see if we'll accept back in the range. If we'll accept back in the range, back in the uptrend channel, then we can push higher. We can go from a clear uptrend in a range, going sideways from now on until we'll consolidate a bit more the $4,000. It's possible, but again, not a bad thing. The other chart I wanted to show you, it's Bitcoin dominance. I'm blabbing away from this level, from beginning of December. We need a retest, and I don't know if it will be a 38.2 or it will be a 61.8. Well, look at it. We have the 38.2. It will push higher to 61.8, I don't know. But we have the dead cat bounce we expected. From now on, if the price wants to em out and do an AB equals D, it's normal price action from my perspective. Yeah? So we touched that 38.2 dump chaser zone kind of idea, and from now on we can continue lower if will be the case. A, B, C, D is pointing out a bit lower, and if you take it from this level, then 50% will be the target. Now I could see, just eyeballing, I could see that, but let's draw some levels. Okay, that's the AB. Now let's clone it and put it here, or just put it straight here. We can see the idea that we should, if we play the AB equals CD with a 38.2 bounce, not a deeper one to 61.8, we should touch 50%. That will be nice for altcoins, I think. Okay. That's Bitcoin dominance in my view. Let's see what will happen here. I'm curious if we'll aim out and we'll push lower, or we'll push even higher. Okay, next one. Well, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So far, still a V bottom in my perspective. This is a 38.2 touch. 2 times we touched that level. Actually, once after this bounce. You want to see it? Yeah. Let's try to put a 38.2. There you go. So we bounce straight up. We touch 38.2 and we initially bounce. When the market is really strong, that's enough. But when the market is not so strong, we'll bounce from 38.2 and then we'll come back down and touch 61.8. Let's see what will happen this time. But this is still a valid message from my perspective. Still a valid message. Don't be bearish in that area. Okay. That's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Total market cap. Well, total market cap, I need to go on weekly and zoom out a little bit. This is the all-time high. We are correcting, but we are still above the all-time high. You think that's bearish for the crypto space, or it's bullish what we have now? No? Just look at this chart, okay? Let me hide everything and just look at this chart. This chart looks bearish to you, or it's bullish? Yeah, we can consolidate, we can go sideways, we can retest some support levels, but look at this chart. So why people are panicking? People, make a difference. It's a big difference between being bullish and being stupid, leveraged, and easy to get liquidated. I'm more bullish than a lot of moon boys here, or in crypto space. But that doesn't make me stupid enough to put my liquidation price close to the price action. Okay? I'm using setups for the trades, so I'll not get liquidated. I'll lose a specific amount, usually 0.5 or 1% on every trade. And the rest I'm playing on spot, so no liquidation there. Okay. This chart looks strong. And on daily, okay, we can correct. Nothing is going straight up, or usually is not going straight up. But you can see AB pushing higher, consolidating CD maybe. Maybe you can stay here and retest 3 trillions couple of times and then push higher. Who knows? That's for the market to do and to tell us, not for us to predict. Slow and steady. Okay. Total market cap, total 3. Well, total 3 is trying. It's trying. You can see we rejected here. But this rejection comes, you can see we never closed the daily candle above. So we tested that level. We rejected. That's the initial rejection. We have some small support here. But it's not a textbook how I like to see a clear breakout on daily. Because I want to see a candle body closing above the previous week high. So candle body, not week, candle body above this week. So we don't have that. So far, fake out. But in this environment, and this exponential environment, do you think we'll do a breakout or it's a real fake out? I love to play the range, but I have to see that the market is really strong and will probably next time will attack that level, will close above. Okay, so that's the overview. Overnight, when everyone was panicking, I was telling people to buy. Before the dump, I told people to be on the long side. Last couple of weeks, I made this list and I showed you some levels. In the live stream, I posted on Premium, I posted on VIP, some of them even on general chat. And people are asking, you really believe that we'll retest that level? No, I'm just playing around, just drawing levels on the chart. Nothing to do better than that. No? I love to play with lines. Well, my lines, they are fucking well respected, seems like. Yeah? Look at this one. I'm on daily chart, but I posted this level on weekly. Look at this one. You had or you didn't have the limit order here, that's fucking your problem, not mine. I did my best. I showed you the weekly W retest. I told you where to put the limit order. You have to assume responsibility if you put the limit order there and you want to buy cheap. The rest is up to each and every one of you. Let's go on weekly. Huh? Why do you ask me if we'll get a retest instead of putting the limit order at a weekly W breakout? It's a clear level to be retested. Look at the candle bodies, look at the support and resistance. For the market to accept higher needs to retest this level. And some people, well, I don't know, I don't think we'll get there. If we'll get there, I'll market buy. Well, why didn't you market bought here? Can someone tell me why? Because it was damn fast and at that moment in time everyone was panicking. It's going to zero. And I tried my best without offending anyone. Hopefully I didn't offend anyone in the chat. Yeah, to tell them that it's not a good mentality to be bearish at any dip. It's a buying opportunity. If I offend someone, please accept my apologies. That was not my intention. My intention was to wake you up. And you can see here, why didn't we didn't manage to market buy? Let's go on a 1 hour chart. Well, you can see we just weak to that level. If you had an order, that will be filled. If you didn't have an order, well, wait a bit more. Let's put a 5-minute chart. If you are not fast enough, you will miss this one. Why? Well, down and up again. Retest here. You had the order here? Well, okay. If you didn't have the order, well, next bus. And now, nothing you can do because the price is, you can see, 20% higher. Or almost 20% higher. It's just an example, people. Just one fucking example. I don't know for sure. I'm not, I don't know, a predictor here in the market to tell you exactly tomorrow at noon we'll touch this level. Put your limit order there. No, but I know from the TA perspective, from my experience, from other traders' experience, that the weekly W is usually retested. Put a limit order there and wait. And we had more than that. I think we had alt touched one of my levels. Yeah, look at this one. Multiple ones did a really nice job. Portal almost touched that level. DYDX didn't want to touch it, and I think Dimension did the same. Luna, if I'm not mistaken, BNT. No, BNT didn't want it. Dimension. Yeah. Look at this one. Look at how nice is this one. W's, 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 W's. Breakout, well, retest. Was pretty obvious here. Take the level. If you had the order, you are in. If you didn't have the order, put the order there. Maybe you'll get a retest. Maybe even lower. I had two orders. I had that 1.8 or 1.9 almost, 1.8 here. And I had one lower in the green area. Didn't touch my second one. I'll remove it? No. I don't know what market will do. Maybe market wants to retest again. Okay. We can look at this list over and over again. You can see almost a retest. This was a textbook, just touch the line retest here, weekly W. So, people, don't ask me if we'll get a retest. Put the limit order and wait. I'm not, nothing I can do more than that. I told you, don't chase this RSR. Everyone, well, the news is too bullish. Yeah, the news is bullish, but you are stupid if you buy the top here. And look what top looks like. 2.5, we are 1.3, half of that price, and we can retest the deeper in the long reload zone. Mobi, we had a breakout and now we're having the retest. You are on the buy side or you are on the sidelines waiting. Up to you. I said about Luna. Well, didn't retest exactly the candle body. Maybe will, maybe not. I don't know. If you don't have a bag, even this price is not the worst. But if you don't have a bag, then don't wait for the candle bodies. Take the week. Yeah, if you don't have anything and you are waiting for a weekly W retest, don't wait like me patiently at the candle body, because it's riskier. You can see the market almost touch that area and push higher. Play the weak high of the neckline, yeah, the middle, this one. That's a bit more aggressive. You'll get not the best level, but you'll get in a good level in overall. Yeah, look at Hania. He's posting some weekly W's. Well, if Hania is posting, let's see what Hania is posting. Look at it. Weekly W. Breakout and retest. You have retest here. Look at it. It's at the level. Take it or leave it. Not my business. Assume the decision. I'm not a financial advisor here. So, let's do something like this. Okay. The next one. Hania is posting. Osmo. Osmo, I think is too strong, but maybe it's just mine. Well, no. I have a trade. Let's talk about weekly W's. Yeah, if you zoom out, you can see why Hania is posting. This is the initial weekly W. This is the big weekly W, and we just got a retest. So, if you didn't take this one, well, play the long reload zone, but this is not a bad level to take. At least to start buying. I'm not saying not to buy more if you'll go lower. I think you can dollar cost average here, really nice. Next one. I think I have ING here. Let's see. This one is a bit stronger. We had the weekly W, breakout, retest. If you had the order, you are set if you don't have the order. And the order had to be here at the week high, like I said. If you don't have ING, okay, it's okay to put at the week high. So your perspective should be slightly different if you have a position already or you don't have any exposure on that coin. If you have and your bag is almost full, okay, you can be patient and wait for really good levels. If you don't have, play the week in the neckline of the W. TIA, yeah, I think I have TIA here. Yeah, until I'll find it, it's easier to just type it. Now, look at it. We have it. W's, breakout, retest. You have the order, okay. If you don't have it, sorry. So please, people, don't ask me next time, don't DM me, well, do you really think that you have the limit order? Because I have the tendency to answer in a bad way. You think I'm playing here? I'm just posting levels randomly in the live streams? Yeah, I really think that weekly W's should be retested and will be retested, and if you have a limit order, you have a big chance to get a nice feel. Yeah. So to be clear for everyone. Sorry that I'm a bit, I don't know. You get the idea. But I'm just, sometimes I'm getting tired of answering to the same question. People still thinking I'm playing around, and well, I should buy at market or I should wait for limit order. Well, if you want to be a professional trader, you kind of have to wait for limit orders. If you want to be part of the public, play with market orders and FOMO in, sell the bottom, buy the top. It's up to you. We are working with limit orders, with small exceptions. Okay, now you have the list. You know what to do on weekly W retest. Put the limit orders there. For lower time frame, we played the shark here, and we are deep in profit. We should even be over. The trade should be over. We didn't play the mountain man. Was a nice trade, and usually we get a bounce. I'm preferring to keep my shark level in the market. If the market will bounce without me, I will not be upset. Why? Because I have a ton of spot bags that they'll say thank you. As I said, this white line is really important. We had a dump on that. You can see support and resistance is really well respected. You can attempt to start hedging again if we'll touch this level. But the reaction here is pretty strong. If we'll get a double here, we'll accept above this level, we can push a lot higher. And you can see the market is attempting to do that. Kind of a ugly Dalai Lama, but it's there. Okay? So, I know the Monday low and Monday high concept. They could work. I'm not saying they're not working, but be careful because we can go take the Monday high and push higher. Preferably, I want to see the Monday low taken out and then to push higher. Well, it's not ideal every time. We'll have to wait and see what will happen. So far, not too much volatility in the morning. We had a little bit of volatility in overnight session, but nothing more than that. That's Bitcoin on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Ethereum, well, let's put the 4 hour chart back. When the price was here, close to the take profit, close to the AB equals CD pinpoint touching the take profit, I said take some profit off. I saw the M, I saw the weakness on lower time frame, so I said take some profit off. I think was a good idea. Trailing the rest means the stop loss should be all the way down. So if you have 25%, don't bother to close it. Put your stop loss at scratch and just wait. Yeah. So that's my thinking on Ethereum. No reason to panic, no reason to do anything. Okay? On lower time frame, if I go on 1 hour, we are in the live stream when I said about this one. You remember yesterday in the live stream, I said I saw the retest here, I saw the drop down, and I said, well, fuck it, this was a bearish retest and this one will go lower. And look at the result. That was one of the clues. That's why I insisted on chat saying that, well, people, don't panic sell, just be only on the long side. Now that play is done, you can see the market reacted violently here, rejected, said, no, I want higher. So don't argue with the market. This is my 2 cents. Well, if you have limit orders, Catalin, you don't have to stay awake all night. That's why we are professional and we are working with limit orders. First of all, you have emotions in the dump, so you'll hesitate and you'll miss the opportunity. Second of all, you'll get a lot of less fees. And that's the professional way to do it. Limit orders. Okay? So, investment, trading, scalping, use the fucking limit orders. Don't market buy and market sell. Okay, we have some exceptions, but they are exceptions, not the rule. Public is using market orders. Professional are using limit orders. And in the long run, they make all the difference. Now, well, I'm glad that you took some, Catalin. Unfortunately, not too many people did like you. I saw a lot of people panicking. Well, we're going down. Okay, I said some ugly messages in the premium. Sorry for that, but it's the truth. Some people should grow some balls. Sorry to say that, but no. So it wasn't to offend, was just to man up, to make them realize that their plan and their emotions are not good for the market, or not good for their wallet. Okay. Now, I'll take 2 or 3 requests and I'll call it a live stream. Someone asked a request. Can you check MOV on 4-hour chart? Well, let's try. On KuCoin, on 4-hour chart, yeah, looks really nice. This chart, it's really nice. What the fuck you want to do with this one? It's pushing higher. Holy grail on 50-minute chart if you want to chase it. If not, you have to wait for a retracement. I don't see anything you can do here. If you want to chase, okay, let's put 50-minute chart. Not 10, 50. Come on, motherfucker. And then I put this one. Let's check a little bit the inputs. 7:15, okay, looks nice. So you can see where we should think about hunting an entry. But keep in mind, it's a trade on 50-minute chart. If we hit the stop loss, get the fuck out. To invest, I don't know the rest of the price. And I don't want to go and look on chain and so on. So, either you wait for a consolidation if you want to invest. Either you can play with Holy Grail, and if it will start trending up, Holy Grail will give you an entry and will keep you in the trade. Most likely. So from 4-hour I get you to 50-minute chart. On 4-hour, not enough price action for me to even tell you something. On 4-hour chart, there are 3 lines on the chart. Nothing I can do about it. Yeah. What TA I could do with this? My tendency is just to tell you, well, it's nice and shiny, could pump, but will probably go back down and retest this week low, this start of the chart. At, I don't know, 10 cents. It's real, will happen now. I don't know if it will happen now, but probably will happen in time. So, chase with Holy Grail on 50-minute chart. Okay. So we looked at what Hania posted. Thank you, Hania, for the ideas. You are thinking in the right direction. That's for sure. We know that. Doge is strong, Dream. Doge is strong, and we have Doge. Look at it. We are still in the same fucking swing trade from some time. From 1 month almost. If you had the stop loss at scratch, you are out and you have to wait for the next leg. What Doge is doing, Doge is consolidating and with highs and lows, stopping out some people to leverage. I think is preparing for the next step higher. But when will happen, don't ask me. It could be next year in February. I don't know. Okay? So, until then, it's just fucking around in a range. Not the best to play, not the one I want to pay attention. I have Bitcoin for day trading, I don't want Doge. When Doge will take the place of Bitcoin, then I'll trade Doge. So Doge is consolidating, and it's a wide range there, from 35 cents to 50 cents. Okay, the next one, let's see, Cake. You want me? On what time frame do you want Cake? I think you can do on lower time frame. If I'll put the higher time frame, I think you have something. Cake. Spot. Well, not enough. Not enough. This is the level, $2.2. Well, close enough, 2.8. But that's the level you want to. That's the first level. If we push lower than that, well, yeah, okay. But that's the weekly W retest. You can hope. Now, that was Agent. And let's take a look at Agent if you want. Agent on spot on weekly. Come on. This is strong as possibly humanly, I don't know, crypto can be. Look at this one. This one is a beta play for Ethereum, if I understand correctly. And we took the high on daily. I think we closed daily above. No, we are fighting to. This is a resistance now, and we are fighting that level. But what I say usually when you see the market staying just below that resistance and pushing, market is strong and will probably push higher. You should buy that there now. I don't think. I think you want a breakout and a retest and then to buy. But if you really want, you can go on 1 hour chart with Holy Grail and play a setup. That's the only thing I could say about the Agent. On higher time frame is really strong. Ethereum is pushing higher. Probably this one will do the same. Buy and pray. Well, we have a setup like that. And Radu says Xion on 1 hour. Well, let's take what. Well, daily looks like it's a new coin here. 1 hour chart. Let's see. Well, if I have 1 hour chart, then I should have a long reload zone. There you go. We touched 61.8 and we bounced. Unfortunately, I think we can do something like this. We want lower a little bit. We want a clear W. Okay. So yeah, we can be enough to touch 61.8 and bounce. If you play the 61.8 initially, move your stop at the week low because we'll probably retest that one. It's too new for me to be bullish on it. Let's wait in the long reload zone for a proper W. That's my 2 cents. I don't see anything special there. Yeah, I prefer to wait. Could pump? Well, could pump without me, but I will not attack it. I will not be bullish there. That's usually study the charts and you'll see when something is new. We'll pump initially, then we'll come back and test. Here we front run the 61.8. We bounced. Now we accepted where we touched 61.8, we bounced, but the bounce, look at it, it's really weak. And then we'll go probably in the long reload zone, probably even 78.6. Make a W, proper W, breakout retest, and a bit of consolidation, and then maybe we can become bullish again. It's taking initially. You have to understand that some people got better levels than the listing. They will take the profit off, and until they will clear the chart, I don't see any point to go there and FOMO in. Wait patiently for them to resolve their problems, the jets to be out, and consolidation, W, and so on. By the way, jet, I see a new meme coin. Jet guy. Honestly, on meme coins you say that if it's funny, buy it. Well, for me it's funny, and I bought it. Thank you, Mike. Zenga Mike posted it. I bought it here in the lows. Yeah, if it's making you laugh, buy it. I bought it. Now it's up to the market. Will show me that Jet guy will go to zero. Okay. I like the text. I like the idea. I like the Twitter. I enjoyed reading this message. Okay, so I bought a little bit. I'll lose my investment. So what? Next pass. I like what I see on the chart. You can see big volume here. In this dump, big volume again. So I think we can push higher, at least to get a double, and then I don't care. I think so. It's up to you. It's just a meme coin, so no financial advice. That's for sure. Couple of places left for Capo 1. You know, we'll take the first people that will DM me and will book the place. No, I don't know another way. I'm not selecting people other way. If I see he's a bit consistent and wants to learn and wants to book a place, why not? 20 places max, and the price is really good for you. Yeah, below $1,000. I'll do more in more than one round in 2025. I don't think so. I think one it's enough because I want to also focus on trading, investment, and 2025 should be a really nice year. We'll see. If the bull market is ending in March, then we can do another round in the fall. Maybe. We'll see about that. But the price is really nice to miss the opportunity if you want to learn our way to trade. That being said, let's call it a live stream. Stefan, if you are here, you'll make a live stream today? Usually Stefan is doing a live stream Tuesday, but I don't know today. I didn't have time to ask him. I think he'll post on Twitter, on Discord. Okay. So Stefan will be live streaming in a couple of minutes. Yeah. So you can ask more requests to Stefan. He learned with me, so I think you can ask him the same. You can ask him the request, and you can put the limit orders there. He knows what he's saying. No? Okay, people. See you on Stefan live stream, or later in the New York session, or tomorrow the same live stream, and so on. Take care. See you next time.